Hi, my name is Alan Korjenik, and today I'm going to be talking to you about the different design principles I used in making my infographic. Now, to start off, an infographic is a way to represent data, whatever the topic being, in a way that makes the representation style meaningful, not strictly the numbers being represented. There are several ways and design principles that can ensure that a design graphic is successful, namely being the formatting scheme, the formatting style, and the color scheme used. Typically designed top-down for ease of navigation on online resources, my infographic fits this well. Visual hierarchy is described by columns or segmented portions to seem more or less important than others. This infographic breaks things down by giving a topic above the arrows and a short description beneath, and what is supposed to be an image or a piece of data to support just adjacent to the arrows. Another important principle mentioned before is the visual hierarchy. Here, center images draw your eyes down the page until an arrow is met, giving you a piece of information. The colors used denote key points and transition as you continue down the page. Topics have large font for topics and are necessarily short, where descriptions are a bit lengthier and appear in a smaller font size. These patterns between orienting the topics' descriptions with their associated colors are all symmetric as you look down the infographic. Color scheme is very important in infographics, and in my infographic, the color schemes used are cool and dull hues to perceive that the message is calming. However, they are complementary colors, and this contributes to the whole infographic found.